Ahoy there, mates! Look what showed up at our door the other day. It's called Bluffin' Dice Game by Big G Creative, and that foil cover is a nice touch. Let's just look inside. We start with some very weird-looking dice, not to mention a whole bag full of coins. They're not metal, but they're coins. There's 50 of them. They appear to be identical, and each one has got that same foil sheen. We've also got a wee pack of 18 cards, all the same backs. And each one seems to have a collection of icons that match the ones on the dice. What an incredible coincidence! Now it says the map and rules are under here, and there they are. The rules seem simple, and the treasure map looks like a reference card. And that's all that seems to be included, except I see one thing of note. There appears to be a Bluffin' sea shanty. In this day and age, that's pretty cool. But we'll have to get to that another day. That's everything to be found in this box. Now, let's go play it.